My name is Mark Walters. I am the Director of Engineering and Program Management at Williams RDM. The unique thing about our business from an ERP standpoint is that our defense line of products is one that is a low volume, high mix product line, whereas our stovetop firestop product line is just the opposite. It's a relatively simple product and the volume is very, very high. That kind of gives us a mixed mode operation for our manufacturing capabilities, which can be challenging for an MRP system or an ERP system. Some of our key requirements going into this were we needed to have a system that would be able to produce usable, meaningful schedules that we could work with in our production area. And we also needed it to be a system where we could quote our products in the system so that we can compare our actuals to our quoted numbers. And then we needed the purchasing aspects of the system to be very efficient, even for the quite complex bills of materials that we had to deal with. We're a small business. We don't have loads of people that we can task with creating purchase orders and planning production builds and things like this. We have to run our business efficiently. A critical thing for us is to be able to go from a sales order entry to issuing purchase orders out to our vendors for large complex projects in a very efficient way. M1 gives us the ability to drive down into those details and be able to come up with the same number that the system is reporting in reports and grids of that nature. Being able to run a business through paper processes and spreadsheets, we know from experience doesn't work. You have to have systems that work with technology that can implement automation for you and can keep you efficient. I believe that M1 is supporting our company and our business goals. The ERP system is a critical part of any manufacturing business. It's an integral part of our day-to-day operations. M1 is really helping us to be efficient in our operations, to have a good handle on exactly what's going on, and be able to run the business in a way that is profitable and efficient.